Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about important historical centers of early Christian era in Rajasthan. Now during the early Christian era, 1st century BC to 3rd century CE, Rajasthan was a culturally vibrant region influenced by trade, religious movements, particularly Buddhism and Jainism, and early state formations. Now several important historical centers flourished in Rajasthan during this time, playing roles in commerce, religion, and administration. First, we'll talk about Berat, Viratnagar, Jaipur district. Now, one of the most important Buddhist centers in Rajasthan, key findings remains of a circular Buddhist monastery, possibly the earliest structural stupa in India. Ashokan erects found here 3rd century BC, frequented by Buddhist monks visited by Emperor Ashoka, role religious and administrative center. Then we have Nagar, formerly Madhyamika, Chittorgarh district, a prominent settlement under Indo-Scythian Sakha rulers. Key findings: numerous coins of Western Shatpatas, Indo-Scythians and Mauryas, evidence of continuous habitation and trade mentioned by Ptolemy, role urban center, trade hub and coin minting site. Now Rai Tong district, important Asian town with pre-Gupta and Gupta period layers. Key findings: ancient ramparts, pottery and coins linked to Malava culture, role strategic urban and trade center. Then we will talk about Jalra Patan near Jalawar, an ancient settlement known for early urbanism. Key findings: antiquities from early historic period including temples and sculptures, role religious and cultural center. Then we will talk about Ocean Jodhpur district, originally a Jain and Hindu center gaining prominence during later centuries but with roots in earlier centuries CE. Key findings: archaeological layers suggesting habitation in early centuries CE, role trade and pilgrimage center. Now we will talk about Tilwara Barmer district, known for early human settlement but continued into the early historic era. Key findings: settlement evidence, trade links and burial practices, role transition center from prehistoric to historic eras. Now we will talk about Karoli Bayana region, eastern Rajasthan, associated with early religious and administrative activities. Key findings: early inscriptions, fortified settlements and sculpture remains. Now features of early Christian era centers in Rajasthan: coinage, Indo-Greek and Indo-Scythian coins found in Nagar and Berat. Religion: strong presence of Buddhism, Berat, Jainism and early Brahmanism. Urbanization: fortified towns, administrative centers and trade settlements. Trade routes: many of these centers were located along Asian trade routes connecting central India, the Gangetic Plain and the west coast. Now core sites for Ras: Berat, Viratnagar Mauryan and Buddhist center, Nagari, Madhyamika, Asian trade and political center, Rang Mahal, Kushan Gupta period site, Nagaur Karoli, early historical urban center. Thank you.